Next time you're home and you're reaching for some tropical libations, but you don't want to leave your home because, COVID, masks, traffic, it's just crazy. Don't call up your girlfriends. Just watch Pinup Miami on YouTube. Drive to your nearest liquor store. Pick out your favorite rum. Make a short walk to your car. And then sit home and relax with your new pineapple daiquiri ready to sip. Mahalo everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am excited to bring you all this simple drink that only requires 3 ingredients. So if it is your first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. Before we get started, I just want to tell you all that I was recently published in Exotica Moderne, this beautiful Tiki magazine. I'll put the link down below if you're interested. I was interviewed by Nicholas Diak and it is called Glamour in the Magic City Interview with Miss Pinup Miami. Woo! And it's teal, of course. It is a beautiful magazine. It even came with a CD with amazing Hawaiian tropical music. Oh, so grab your copy today. I'll put the link down below. Life is slowly getting back to normal, and we still want to do things that are simple and not too difficult. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a pineapple daiquiri only using 3 ingredients. We're going to be using the delicious Plantation Pineapple Rum, some lime juice, and simple syrup. And the glass that we're going to be using today is a coupe. I got it off Amazon. I'll put the link down below. 2 ounces of pineapple rum, 3/4 ounce of lime juice, and a 3/4 ounce of simple sugar. Then we're gonna get our mixer and shake it up. And then strain it into your coupe. Ooh. Cheers. A delicious cocktail to entertain your friends at home, give yourself a little tropical escape. So make sure to try this at home and let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. And if you have any recommendations for any easy tiki drinks at home, leave them down below too. I love to give them a try. And before you go, if you love this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it, my fellow villagers. Until next time,